Guys, I'm back with another video, and today we're doing some potato salad. Okay, let's go ahead and peel these potatoes. So after we finish, we're just going on dice them. Alright, so when we're done clean up the potato them, I'm gonna transfer them to a bowl or something so that we can get them nice and clean. So after you finish wash them, we're gonna transfer them to the boil. Give them a nice stir and allow them to boil until they get soft. So there's some onion. And then we're going to do a little piece of purple I want to have. I thought I had more purple onion, but apparently not. It's all I saw in the refrigerator. I think they eat it doing them salad or so, because I'm sure I'm not cook with the purple onion. So just have to dice this up. With the red. Alright, so we're going to remove the egg then. Because the potato will take a longer time to cook. And then I get an ice bath also. The water cold but the ice melt. Alright, and I'll open the chip. And then I'll cook the potato until then. Half tender, I know them when I cook it. I'm going to look at it, I'm going to feed it. So I'll give this about 5 more minutes and check on it again. Just going to add some more ice. Put it to my hand. Set this aside and we come back and deal with it. Alright, so I'm gonna go in and kind of peel them egg. Alright, so when you take the ice bath, this is what happens. Make it easier for peel. See? Alright, so once it's done boil, we're going to throw it off. Alright. And some cold water coming. And then we'll continue. Alright, so first we are going with the onion, bell peppers, and that's it. Onion and bell peppers. Alright, we're going with some mixed vegetable. relish. Some Italian dressing. Mustard. Mayonnaise. Some sugar. We're going to combine this now. And if you have a spatula, use it because you want to be gentle. You don't want, well, you want to break some of the potato, but not too much. And also, it depends on how you like it. Because some people like when food kind of mash up, I guess. Put a bit of black pepper, also some paprika. I also know where we're going and just combine this. The thing with me, I don't like when my potatoes so solid, so I get a fork and mash some of them. Them soft like mashed potato, but then you don't want them just big and stand up and look fine, you know. I never wanted red, so we can't take over the paprika. Most time I want to leave it for the last, you know, because so my taste is make add a little more mayonnaise. Going to add the egg. Just have dice there. If you have made it this far in the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment and let me know how I can improve my channel. I would appreciate that, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in another one. Bye. Okay. And there you have it. You know, if you want it more moist, you add mayo.